this session, we will learn about Cartesian coordinate system. The Cartesian coordinate system, named after the French mathematician Rene Descartes, is a mathematical framework used to specify points in a plane using two perpendicular axes, the horizontal x-axis and the vertical y-axis. Each point in the plane is represented as an ordered pair xy, where x denotes the horizontal distance and y denotes the vertical distance from the origin 0, 0, the point where the axes intersect. The origin is the point where the axes intersect, or the point O. Here we have illustrated where the origin is located. Then this system is widely used in geometry, algebra, and calculus to visualize and analyze relationships between variables, graphs, and geometric shapes. Here we have a Cartesian coordinate plane. Now we will see how can we do maths and how can we use this Cartesian coordinate plane. Here the horizontal line we have on the Cartesian coordinate plane is called the x-axis, and the coordinates we get through this axis is called abscissa. Here the end point of the right end point of the x-axis is denoted by x, and the left end point of this axis is denoted by x prime, and and the vertical line that we see in the Cartesian coordinate plane is the y-axis, and the upper end point of this line is y and the lower end point is y prime, and the point where they both intersect is called O, or origin, and here the coordinate of origin is 0, 0. We have already discussed that we write coordinates through Cartesian coordinate system in XY format, and now we will learn how to do math using this Cartesian coordinate system. Here, at first we have to know about four quadrants of the Cartesian coordinate system. Here we can see that the coordinate system has divided our plane into four quadrants. Now, this is the first quadrant, this is the second quadrant, this is the third quadrant, and this is the fourth quadrant. Now we have to know a concept about positive and negatives of Cartesian coordinate system. Here, whenever we go to the right side of origin, the abscissa will always be positive. The abscissa will always be positive, and whenever we go to the left side, the abscissa will be negative. And whenever we go to the upside of the origin, the ordinate will be positive, and whenever we go to the downside, the origin will the ordinate will be negative. So that is about the concepts of positive and negative in Cartesian coordinate plane. Now we will learn about how can we uh, identify some points in Cartesian coordinate system, and how can we do maths regarding this. Now we will identify the following points in this Cartesian coordinate system. Here the first one we have abscissa 5 and ordinate 6. Now we will go 5 steps through the x-axis. We don't have graph here, so we will assume a point as according to our knowledge, I guess. Here 1 2 3 4 5, this is the fifth abscissa, and now we will go to the 6 steps above of origin. So according to the y-axis, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now it is our 5 comma 6 point, 5 comma 6 point. It is our 5 comma 6 point, is the 5 comma 6 point. Then we have 9 minus 3. Let's go to 9 steps. Here we have got the 9 abscissa, and there is minus 3. It is minus 3, so it is our 9 minus 3 point, 9 minus 3 point. And then 7 minus 2. Let's search for 7 minus 2. No, sorry, there is actually no minus. It is 7 2. I guess we have this already. This is 7, this is 2, 7 2, 7 2, this is 7 2. I have actually written this minus 2. This is 7 2. I'm so sorry, my bad. And there is minus 1 minus 2. Let's go here, and this is our minus 1 minus 2 point, and this is minus 9 10. We have to go to minus 9 minus 9, and there is 10. This line actually very short. Let's exceed it. Approximately this is the point, minus 9 10. So that's it. This type of maths will come, and we will have to identify these points are in which quadrant. For example, let's say this is first quadrant, then this 9 and minus 3, this will be in which quadrant. Here we know that in the fourth quadrant, in the fourth quadrant this in the fourth quadrant we have at the first positive and then negative. By memorizing this, we can actually easily do this rather than drawing the whole diagram and doing this. So and this is actually, my bad, this is actually the fourth quadrant, and this is first quadrant, this is third quadrant, and this is our second quadrant, third quadrant. So that's it. It's very easy. In the next session, I hope so, we will learn about midpoints and distance. So please subscribe to my channel and like this video. That's it. So thank you.